Duol mar Governors owuok tung' mosuoga PC mar janon buge mag omenda Auditor General kuom dwaro nono kauntis 6 e pachoka ewi kaka gisebedo ka gitiyo gomenda megi e thuolo mar higni 4 mokalo. Duol no koni okang' makamano en rocho ratiro mar chik omiyo gidwaro ler ewi gino momiyo apisino dwa kawo okang' makamano ma gichich ni geto thiro counties. Joja oko nigi ler kowuok Mombasa.
Duol mar Governors ne obagoromo e kaunti ma Mombasa mar twak ewi chenro moyiedhi magichano keto kaka chik mabiro tayo wach chiwo chiemo ne jopuonjre e sikunde mag nasari kata ECD. E romono mabende ne okelo kanyakla jogo manie sekta mar somo, duol no ne kata kamano seyo malich mokalo apis janon buge mag omenda kuom dwaro timo nonro ewi kaka kaunti 6 osebedo katiyo gi omenda mekgi e thuolo mar higni 4 mosekalo.
The Auditor General has selected 6 counties to do an audit, which is against the law, because in their letter, they had not indicated that they want to audit bursaries and ECDA as a special audit, but just audit for audit's sake. And we know the laws ask that we do audit within 6 months and not 4 years, as has been directed by the Auditor General.
All counties give bursaries through a structured process. They actually have legislation which was passed in the county assemblies by whatever name. Mostly they call it County Bursaries Fund. So it's a fund established under the law with a board and a CEO. And that fund is audited every single year.
Makusudio alionayo mkaguzi wa hesabu huyo ambaye ni Auditor General, tunapata kwamba tayari ashavunja sheria kwa sababu angetaka kurejelea miaka 4 nyuma. Hatujui jinsi alivyochagua zile counties, na kila mmoja Kenya anajua kumekuwa na tatizo na mvutano mkubwa kati yetu na serikali kuu, hasa kuhusiana kitengo hiki cha kupeana bursaries.
Okang' makamano gikoni ne okauka okoso mpachgi kako machielo to giramo ne nyaka chiwne gi ler ewi wachno magikoni nyaka sani ok gisiro.
So we're wondering, why are we being now ambushed with this other sample of 6 counties selected? If we've been told that those counties were found to have done something wrong and they are under special audit or investigation, it's a different matter. But you just don't wake up and say, we want to see how this works with these 6 counties and we're going to look at the last 4 years, yet the law is very clear.
To this extent, then we insist as a council and even as a committee that the proper guidelines and the law must be adhered even when dealing with all these matters.
Kata kamano, negisiro wach keto chik moyiedhi mabiro tayo chenro mar chwalo chiemo ne jopuonjre duto manie nasari kata ECD. Ma en bang' yango ni kwan jopuonjre osebedo kadhi malo e moko kuom counties matayo chenro mag chwalo chiemo ne jopuonjre e sikunde.
We've already done an oversight in some counties, and I'm happy to say that this particular function of feeding program, where the counties are feeding, are doing this feeding program, the enrollments are up, the kids are doing better.
Kama Bungoma tayari nimeanzisha mpango wa kupeana uji kwa watoto siku 3 kwa wiki, na natarajia kwamba tukipata budget ya kutosha tutasukuma iwe wiki mzima, na tumeona mabadiliko tayari kwa namba ya wale watoto ambao wamekuja kwenye shule chekechea. Kuna now retention na enrollment imeenda juu.
This policy also tries to leverage on the local foods, right? If in one area there's a lot of sorghum, beans, maize, then that's what probably they're trying to suggest that to also spur the local economy, that's the food that is bought to be given to kids in that particular locality.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.